I needed a prop rifle to use in my first short film. Make sure you check it out. So I got this toy rifle online. And in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I turned it from looking like this to looking like this. Let's go. Starting off, we need to get rid of this orange tip. Much better. Okay, now we're ready for weathering. Use my handy dremel to scratch the hell out of this rifle for that battle damaged and aged look. Try not to overdo it though, we still want to make it look believable. Gave it a coat of clear sealer so the paint could stick easily to the surface. Then moved on to the shoe polish. Giving it a light coat of black shoe polish to add more definition to the details and scratches we did. And with a slightly wet sponge or tissue paper, I wiped away the shoe polish lightly from the surface. And with some watered down burnt sienna acrylic paint, I began to add in some washes, to add in some rustling effect to what would be the metallic parts of the rifle. While waiting for it to dry, I started working on the shoulder straps for the rifle. It came with these thin straps, so I decided to use only its ends, and added them to an old belt where I removed its buckle and cut its end into shape. Super glued the old straps to the new leather strap, then weathered it with the rotary tool, the same way I did the rifle. Gave it some dark brown washes to give it a muddy aged leather look. Okay, back to the rifle. Now that the paint has dried a bit, we can start scrubbing off the excess paint from the surface. Now for my favorite part, where it all starts to look heavy and realistic. With some silver spray paint I sprayed in a cup, I started brushing on some metallic scratches on the rifle. Basically dry brushing it on lightly on the edges, or on any bumps coming out of the surface of any metallic part. Using the rough side of the sponge helps in this stage, because it adds into the randomness and chaotic texture of the scratches. With a few strokes you can see the metallic illusion already happening there. Send a picture of it to a friend of mine who is a police officer to get his final approval on the look. And he told me the part where it rests on the shoulder should be black. So I painted it real quick, a few silver touches later, and it was done. Now finish it off with a clear sealer. Here you go guys, hopefully this was informative enough for anyone interested in customizing their own props. Make sure you let me know your opinion in the comments. Also make sure to check out the short film I did to see how the rifle ended up looking on camera. And last but not least, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon.